Hello friends, today we will learn beam reactions, simple beam, examples based on simple beam reactions by equilibrium method. First numerical, find the reactions at supports of the beam as shown in figure applying conditions of equilibrium. This is the simply supported beam. One ends are hinge and other ends are roller supported. For hinge supports, how many reactions are calculated? Only two reactions are calculated, that is horizontal and vertical. This is the 10 kilonewton force, point load, 5 kilonewton meter and 6 kilonewton meter. This is the couple. 8 kilonewton which acts at an angle 45 degree, that is inclined force. So first of all, draw free body diagram. For hinge supports we have to calculate two reactions, that is RAH and RAV. RAH is the reaction at support A horizontal and RAV reaction at support A vertical. 10 kilonewton force as it is, couple 5 kilonewton meter as it is. Here we have given 8 kilonewton force, 8 kilonewton force. This is the inclined force, so which is resolved into two directions. For vertical 8 sin 45 and for horizontal 8 cos 45. This is 6 kilonewton meter, couple as it is. Roller support we have to calculate only one reaction, that is vertical, and distance as it is 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter. This is the first step. The next step, step second, since beam is in equilibrium, we can apply conditions of equilibrium for non-concurrent forces, that is summation fx is equal to 0, summation fy is equal to 0 and summation moment is equal to 0. Summation fx is the algebraic sum of all x component is equal to 0. Summation fy algebraic sum of all y components and summation moment algebraic sum of all moments either clockwise or anti-clockwise is equal to 0. So first step, summation fx is equal to 0, algebraic sum of all x components. See this diagram, free body diagram. There are two forces horizontal, RAH and 8 cos 45. So RAH plus and plus 8 cos 45 is equal to 0. Summation fx is equal to RAH plus 8 cos 45 is equal to 0. Then RAH is equal to 0 minus 8 cos 45. Then we get minus 5.66 kilonewton. So we have write RAH is equal to 5.66 kilonewton. That is left direction. Okay. Then next is the summation fy is equal to 0. It gives summation fy is the algebraic sum of all y components. See this diagram, all y components. Upward direction taken as positive and downward direction taken as negative, plus RAV, then minus 10, then minus 8 sin 45 plus RB is equal to 0. See here, plus RAV plus RB minus 10 minus 8 sin 45 is equal to 0. Then RAV plus RB is equal to 15.66. This is the equation number 1. Then summation moment at point A is equal to 0. First of all, what is the meaning of moment? Moment is calculated by formula force into perpendicular distance. So first see this diagram. First force we have to calculate summation moment at point A is equal to 0. Summation moment at point A is equal to 0. So how many forces are in right section from point A? 10 kilonewton first force, second force, third force, and this is the fourth force, and 2 rotational couples. First of all, decide the directions, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So 10 kilonewton force which are rotating clockwise, right? 10 kilonewton force which are rotating at point A clockwise, then 8 sin 45 clockwise, 8 cos 45 clockwise, and RB is the anti-clockwise. So clockwise moment taken as positive direction and anti-clockwise moment taken as negative direction. So what is the meaning of moment? Moment is equal to force into perpendicular distance. So first force is the 10 kilonewton, right? First force is 10 kilonewton, then perpendicular distance 3. So first clockwise moment taken as positive direction, then first force 10 into perpendicular distance 3, then plus second force 8 cos 45, 8 cos 45, this is the horizontal force, so into perpendicular distance 0, then third force 8 sin 45 which are rotating clockwise, so plus 8 sin 45 into perpendicular distance 3 plus 3 6, then RB force which are rotating anti-clockwise, so anti-clockwise negative direction, and force is the RB into perpendicular distance 3 plus 3 plus 3 9, then 2 rotational couple, so first rotational couple which are rotating anti-clockwise, right? So minus 5 and plus 6 which are rotating clockwise, right, is equal to 0. So this is the summation moment at point A is equal to 0. See here I have written note, clockwise moments are taken positive and anti-clockwise moments are taken negative. Also clockwise couple taken as positive and anti-clockwise couple taken as negative. Then find RB, solve this equation, then we get RB is equal to 7.216 kilonewton. This is RB force upward direction because we get the value positive. Okay, so RB is equal to 7.216 kilonewton. Then next step, RB is equal to 7.216 kilonewton. Put the value of RB in equation 1, then we get RAV plus 7.216 is equal to 15.66. RAV is equal to 8.444 kilonewton. Okay, so this is the RAV value. Then step third, let RA is resultant reaction at A and theta is angle made by RA with horizontal. Then how to calculate RA? RA is calculated by formula square root RAH whole square plus RAV whole square. Then RA is equal to, put the value of RAH and RAV. So what is the value of RAH? 5.66 whole square plus what is the value of RAV? 8.444 whole square. Then RA is equal to 10.165 kilonewton. Then step 4, theta is equal to tan inverse of RAV divided by RAH. Then theta is equal to tan inverse of 8.444 divided by 5.66 is equal to 56.17 degrees. Then we get theta is equal to 56.17 degree. Then step 5th, position of quadrants. Write down RAH and RAV value according to their directions, positive or negative. So RAH is the horizontal force. We get the value RAH is negative, that is left direction. So RAH is equal to 5.66 kilonewton. RAV value positive upward direction 8.44 kilonewton, and theta is equal to 56.17 degree, that is second quadrant. Okay, thank you.